Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today we're going to be having a conversation with my dad about his favourite things. So, what is your favourite colour?
My favourite colour is blue because my football team wear blue shirts.
Which is your football team?
My football team are called Leicester City and they play in the Premier League in England.
What colours do Leicester City wear?
They wear blue shirts and white shorts and white socks.
What's your favourite month of the year?
My favourite month is September because usually the weather is very nice. It's neither hot nor cold. It's just right, and it's also the month of my birthday.
What's your favourite day of the week?
My favourite day of the week is Friday because that is the end of the working week and I'm looking forward to the weekend.
What's your favourite sport?
My favourite sport has always been football because it's something I've been interested in since I was very young. I do like other sports, but football is my favourite.
And what's your favourite food?
My favourite food is, I would say, fish and chips. It's something that is traditional in England.
And what's your favourite fruit?
I love bananas, so they are my favourite fruit.
What about your favourite vegetable?
My favourite vegetable are peas, because peas are small and green, and I think they're very nice.
What do you normally have them with?
I have them with fish and chips, or with potatoes and meat.
Like a roast dinner, then?
Like a traditional roast dinner.
And what about your favourite drink?
I drink a variety of drinks, but I would say my favourite is tea.
How often do you have cups of tea?
I drink cups of tea about 4 times every day.
Do you have it with milk or without milk?
I have it with milk.
The next one is your favourite holiday destination. So, which is your favourite holiday destination?
My favourite holiday destination is the Maldives. I've been there once and I would like to go again. The beaches are beautiful, the weather is perfect, it's just an escape from reality.
And what about your favourite pet?
A guinea pig is my favourite pet because they are very small and they're very easy to look after.
What about your favourite wild animal?
My favourite wild animal is a giraffe. I've always liked giraffes.
Where have you seen a giraffe?
I've seen giraffes in zoos and I would like to go on a safari to Tanzania to see giraffes in the wild, plus elephants.
And what about your favourite car?
I would love to have a red Ferrari.
Do you like driving?
I like driving, but I wouldn't say that I love it.
And which is your favourite country in the world?
My favourite country, I would say, is England. I visited most parts of England and there is a wide variety of landscapes, towns and cities.
Have you ever been to the beach in England?
Yes, I love going to the beach in England. There are many isolated beaches where you can go walking and enjoy the sand and the sea.
What about your favourite TV programme?
I like all sports programmes, but particularly football programmes. But I watch tennis and basketball, rugby, cricket.
There is a programme in England called Match of the Day, and you usually watch that every Saturday, don't you?
Yes, the Match of the Day is shown every Saturday night, and it shows the highlights of all the Premier League football matches.
The next one is, which is your favourite shop?
I don't like shopping. I don't mind going to supermarkets, but I'm very interested when I go into a sports shop.
What do you normally look at when you go to a sports shop?
Oh, I look at the sports shoes, sports clothing and equipment.
And related to this question, which are your favourite clothes to wear?
I usually wear t-shirt and shorts, so they are very similar to sports clothing.
Do you normally wear sandals or do you normally wear trainers?
I nearly always wear trainers, but in the summer I sometimes wear sandals.
And the last question is, which is your favourite flower?
My favourite flower is one that I particularly see in England, and it is called a fuchsia.
Oh, like the colour fuchsia?
That's
like
right.
Pink.
Yeah, a pinky purple colour. That's right.
So, in today's video, we have talked about my dad's favourite things. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.